Hello everybody, this is Dr. Heba Haddara. I am an Egyptian physician. I graduated from Ain Shams University Faculty of Medicine and I was specialized in human clinical genetics years ago. And now I am accredited from the Institute of Functional Medicine in Washington as a functional medicine doctor in Egypt. In the beginning of my career, I was so enthusiastic to give my patients the best service I could. That time, our protocol was so limited and we were concentrating on diagnosis, investigation and prescription. By time, I discovered that this was not sufficient to cover the needs of my patients and their families. From this point, my journey into the complementary medicine started. I studied homeopathy, flower essence, animal essence, reiki, pranic healing, hypnosis, and graphology and graphotherapy. 2013, I was introduced to this quantum biofeedback world. When I bought my device, the eductor, and I was offered a decent training to use this device. My journey didn't stop here, so I joined Vector Babish University School of Medicine in Romania and obtained my postgraduate diploma that helped me in using this device as a medical device. I'm looking forward to meet you all on the 22nd of November in the virtual conference of Mandelay. I'm gonna share with you a case study of one of my patients to show you how this wonderful device could be used as a medical device together with other tools to help the patients find a key for their problems and find the root causes of their disease and to help them heal themselves in an easy, subtle, and a very gentle way.